Magandang buhay mga tugang. So yan, so masaya tayo ngayon. Masaya ang mga fans ni Kim Chiu dahil mainit-init pa nag-upload si Kim Chiu ng kanyang Bawal Lumabas full version na kanta. So yan, kasi pala dahil ito sa open letter na galing kay Sir Adrian Crisanto. At kung nakikita niyo po sa post ni Sir Adrian Crisanto, meron po itong 40,000 reactions and 14,000 shares at 4,300 comments. So, sa nakita ko po So, di ko lang po alam ngayon kung ilan na po ito. So, yan. So, actually, hindi daw si Kim ang nakabasa nito, kundi sinend sa kanya ng kanyang mga boss sa ABS-CBN. So, yan. So, nung napanood ko yung video, yung kaka-upload lang, mainit-init pa, parang na-encourage si Kim na lalo pang pagandahin yung kanta. Yan. So, ang galing ng sulat ni Sir Crisanto kay Kim Chiu, open letter para kay Kim Chiu. Kasi kung para sa akin nakaka-boost ng ng confidence. Ang galing ng isip, ang taba ng utak. So naipaliwanag niya lahat. Ito gawing positive natin ito. So yan, so babasahin ko sa inyo ang open letter para kay Kim Chiu na ginawa ni Sir Adrian Crisanto. Start na ako An open letter to Kim Chiu. Dear Kim Chiu, I know you might be still feeling bad about your #bawal lumabas fiasco. Hindi ko alam if you've decided not to be in social media to reflect or rest. But I hope you get to read this note. My intention is not to add fuel to the fire, but to at least encourage you. I'm not a really fan. I can't name the movies or teleseries you starred in. But I know you're a big star. You work hard to be where you are right now. You're pretty and talented. I don't know if you recognize it, but you're in a pretty cool spot to inspire people, especially now in this pandemic. If it's of any consolation to you, I want you to know that I'm on your side. Pareho tayo. We don't condone bullying. And I think this is not the first time you've experienced being trolled and bashed. Siguro, may mas malala pang chismis or intriga. But you came out stronger. Kaya, nalungkot ako nung napanood ko yung Laban Ka Pamilya video mo. For me, you shouldn't have done that. Or not that way, sana nagsorry ka because it was just an honest mistake. Ikaw na nga rin mismo nagsabi na kahit ikaw hindi mo naintindihan ang sinabi mo. Sana hindi ka umiyak sa video. Sana walang drama. Alam mo kung bakit? Because trolls feed on that show of weakness. Mahilig sila sa drama. Hindi sila titigil hanggat magmakaawa ka. So don't give in to that. Lalo na't you've accidentally created a genius marketing idea in this pandemic. #bawal lumabas. Wow, ang galing talaga. And obviously, it has become viral. So take this opportunity to be in the service of the Filipino people worldwide. I'm sharing with you some marketing ideas. Wala tong bayad. Gusto ko lang na ikaw mismo ang gumawa. Take the steering wheel back. Redeem yourself. Turn this mistake into a mission. Ready? Number 1. Record the song. Ang daming naglipa ng covers at remixes. But we're still waiting for you to own it. You have Star Music. You have the best producers there. Release it on Spotify, iTunes, radyo, YouTube. Gawa ka ng music video. Get millions of views. Open quote, lalabas na. #bawal lumabas by Kim Chiu. End quote. Kung hindi ba naman magimbal ang netizens niyan? At dahil practically ikaw ang nagsulat niyan, you can earn royalties as a songwriter. It will be a hit. Number 2. Do a TikTok dance challenge. Wala akong TikTok, so I don't know exactly how it works. Pero, based on the videos I've seen, pasok na pasok to. Ask people to post their dance videos with the official hashtag. It could be a worldwide phenomenon. Number 3. Launch a #bawal lumabas pero pwedeng magpasikat online talent show. Invite them to post song covers, dance covers, dramatic reading, etc. Using the words from your infamous statement. Use it as a fundraiser. People can vote for their favorite hashtag bawal lumabas rendition. The winner gets a cash prize and the rest of the money for those hashtag bawal lumabas para magtrabaho. Number 4. Release a whole line of merchandise. Shirts, caps, face masks, etc. Hashtag bawal lumabas. Pero, pwedeng umorder online. Makakapagbigay ka ng trabaho para dun sa mga designers, printers, and suppliers na kukunin mo. You can also donate proceeds to frontliners. Get the frontliners as models. Bigyan mo sila lahat niyan, kasi sila talaga ang perfect ambassadors to carry that message. New idea! Makeup line! It's about time to release your own makeup line. But of course, we have to think of a more classy brand name. Ano lang naman kung hashtag bawal lumabas, makeup by Kim Chu. LOL! Pero, we can create a campaign for your makeup line using that hashtag. So for example, ang brand name ng makeup mo ay Break Free by Kim Chu. Related pa rin kasi sa lumabas, haha. Ganito ang campaign natin. Study 1. Hashtag bawal lumabas ng walang kilay Break Free by Kim Chu. Study number 2. Your kilay mukhang hindi nag-comply? Hashtag bawal lumabas ng ganyan girl. Break Free by Kim Chu. Study number 3. Sa beauty may batas. Pag walang confidence, girl, hashtag bawal lumabas. Break Free by Kim Chu. Girl, multi-million business na ito. Ano na? Tara na! Number 5. Create an app where people can replace some words on your statement to come up with new, fun ones. Dami kong nakikitang ganun. Kung may app, mas madaling gawin. Hashtag bawal magpa-party. Hashtag bawal fake news. Hashtag bawal umihi. The possibilities are endless. Para itong It's More Fun in the Philippines. RIP po, Sir Mon Jimenez. Idol ko kay forever. Number 6. Now, kapag nagkaroon ulit ng second wave of COVID-19 cases, wag naman sana, relaunch the campaign. It could be hashtag bawal pa rin lumabas or hashtag bawal lumabas. The second wave, mag-record ka ng remixes. Mag-feature ka ng rap. Lagyan mo ng panibagong lyrics. Record it in Cebuano. Record it in Chinese. Resend the message sa mga tao na hashtag bawal nga lumabas. So, ilan lang yan sa mga ideas ko. I will be very happy if you can spin your situation around and serve lemonade to the trolls. From viral to victory, from trending to treasure, imagine the very thing that they're trying to destroy you with is also the same thing that will build you and other people up. Hayaan mo sila. At least, may ginawa ka sa pinagbabawal nila. Inayos mo ang law ng trolling at bashing. At sinubmit mo ulit. Ngayon, Kim, pwede ka na ulit lumabas. Hashtag bawal lumabas dito sa Makati. Toto, brand geek, and marketing rockstar. Self-proclaimed. LOL. So, yan po ang open letter ni Sir Adrian Casanto. So, kung di nyo pa napanood ang video ni Kim na bagong labas lang, panoorin nyo po. So, para matigil na din ang pambabash. Okay? So, yan. So, ang ganda ng sulat. So, sabi nga ni Sir Adrian dun sa interview ni Kim, so, be kind. So, yan. So, alam ko na ang iba sa inyo nabasa na ito, pero ang sarap ulit-ulitin basahin. Dapat talaga ang isang tao ay positive thinker. So yun, so kahit may nangyari ng masama, nagkamali ka, so pwede mo pa rin maitama at maituwid ito. So yan, so sa pananaw ng isang guro, kasi po ako ay isang guro, ang bullying po talaga ay hindi pwede lalo na sa eskwelahan, sa loob ng classroom. So pinagbabawal po talaga yan. So kasi yung confidence ng isang bata, lalo silang nanlulumo, nanghihina, nahihiya. So yan, so pinagbabawal po talaga yan. Kaya against ang mga teacher dyan sa bullying. So yan. So, basahin nyo din ang open letter ni kung ano ang pagka-interpret nyo, kung paano nyo intindihin. So, kailangan talaga mayroong mga taong mag-boost ng confidence natin para malampasan natin ang mga pagsubok o kagaya ngayon. So, yan. Kailangan talaga mayroong pamilya, ng kapaligid, mga kaibigan. So, pero kung tutuusin mo, di ba, hindi ka kilala, sabi ni Kim sa kanyang vlog, hindi niya kilala si Sir Adrian Crisanto. Parang walang chance na nagkita sila, nag-meet sila, at sinabi din ni Sir Crisanto na hindi siya fan, pero ang tao kailangan mag-gain ng respect. So yun yung tandaan ko dun sa vlog na kailangan mag-respect o be kind. Kasi pag naging kind tayo, hindi tayo magkakamali. So yan. So yan mga tugang. So salamat sa inyong panonood. So pag may time kayo, panoorin nyo ang vlog ni Kim. At puntahan nyo din ang Facebook page ni Sir Adrian Crisanto at basahin nyo ulit ang kanyang open letter para kay Kim Chiu. So yan. So maraming salamat sa inyo. So, syempre, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. I'm Teacher Dig. So yan, subscribe lang kayo dyan. Like our videos and you have to click the notification bell para you are updated to all our videos. So yan, so maraming salamat sa inyo at ingat kayo palagi. Bye-bye.